Good afternoon, shareholders. I'm Jaraz Marinosh, Company Secretary of Tata Chemicals Limited. I welcome all our shareholders to the 87th Annual General Meeting of the company. We are holding this Annual General Meeting through video conference in compliance with the Companies Act 2013 and other applicable laws. The Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations requires the company to provide electronic voting facilities to the shareholders. Accordingly, we have provided to our shareholders the facility to cast their vote through remote electronic voting system administered by NSDL. The e-voting facility is also provided to the shareholders present in the meeting who have not yet voted. Shareholders may please go to the voting page of NSDL e-voting website and cast their vote while the proceedings of the meeting are on. The e-voting facility will also remain open for 15 minutes after the meeting to enable the shareholders to cast their votes. The meeting is being live streamed on the NSDL website. Since the AGM is being held through video conference and the resolutions have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, there will be no proposing and seconding of resolutions. Since there is no physical attendance of members, the requirement of appointing proxies is not applicable. Mr. P. N. Parekh of Parekh and Associates, practicing company secretaries, has been appointed as the scrutinizer for the meeting. The registers as required under the Companies Act 2013 are available for inspection. Most of you would be familiar with participating in the AGM through video conference. For the benefit of first-time participants, I will briefly explain certain technical aspects of the process. All members who have joined this meeting are by default placed on mute mode by the host. To avoid any disturbance arising from background noise, once we commence the Q&A session, the chairman will sequentially announce the name of the shareholders who have registered their name to speak at the meeting. Once your name is announced, please unmute your microphone, switch on your camera and speak. In case you are unable to start your video for any reason, you can start speaking through the audio mode. We request speakers to use earphones for better clarity, minimize background noise, ensure a stable internet connection, and avoid running any other applications simultaneously. If there is a connectivity problem at the shareholders' end, we would invite the next speaker to join. We request the shareholders to be brief and limit their speech to 3 minutes to allow the maximum number of shareholders to speak at the AGM. In case any of the registered speakers are unable to join or speak due to technical reasons, they may send their questions to the company at the investor email ID. For any technical assistance, shareholders may refer to the helpline number mentioned in the notice or the FAQs on the NSDL website. With this, I would request the chairman to take over and conduct the proceedings of the meeting. Thank you. Over to you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Jaraz Marinosh. Good afternoon, shareholders. I am Padmanabhan, attending this meeting through video conference from Mumbai. I welcome all our shareholders to the 87th Annual General Meeting of the company. As the requisite quorum is present, I now call the meeting to order. I would like to call on the directors who are on video conference to introduce themselves. Ms. Padmini Kare-Kaikar.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Padmini Kare-Kaikar, is joining this meeting from Mumbai. I serve as an independent director in your company's board. I also chair the audit committee of the company and a member of the risk management committee. Thank you.
Dr. C.V. Nataraj.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I'm Dr. C.V. Nataraj, attending this AGM from my residence in Bengaluru. I serve as an independent director on the board of your company. I chair the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company. I'm also a member of the Audit Committee, Corporate Social Responsibility Committee, and Safety, Health, and Environment and Sustainability Committees of the company. Thank you.
Mr. K.B.S. Anand.
Good afternoon, shareholders. I am KBS Anand. I'm attending this AGM from Toronto. I serve as an independent director on the board of your company. I chair the Risk Management Committee of the company. I'm also a member of the Audit Committee and the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company. Thank you.
Mr. Rajiv Dubey.
Thank you, Mr. Padmanabhan. Good afternoon, shareholders. My name is Rajiv Dubey. I'm attending the AGM from my residence in Mumbai. I serve as an independent director on the board of your company. I chair the Stakeholders Relationship Committee and the Safety, Health, Environment, and Sustainability Committee. I'm also a member of the Audit Committee and Asset Review Committee of the company. Thank you.
Mr. Modan Saha. Mr. Saha, you are on mute. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Good afternoon, shareholders. I am Madan Saha. I am attending this AGM from my office in Mumbai. I serve as a non-executive director on the board of the company. I am a member of the Audit Committee, Stakeholders Relationship Committee, and Risk Management Committee of the company. Thank you.
Thank you, directors. With me present here on the dais are Mr. Mukundan, Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Nandakumar Tirumalai, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Jaraz Menosh, Company Secretary. We also have our senior leadership team attending this meeting on video conference from their respective locations. Our union representatives from Tata Chemicals Mazdoor Sangh Meetapur are also attending this meeting from our office on webcast. We value their continued support and contribution for excellent industrial harmony at the company's establishments. Representatives of BSR and Company LLP, statutory auditors, Parikh and Associates, secretarial auditors, and DC Dave and Company, cost auditors, are also attending the meeting through video conference. During the year, Mr. Rajiv Chandan, Chief General Counsel and Company Secretary, superannuated from the company with effect from November 30, 2025. On behalf of the board, I would like to place on record our appreciation for his contribution during his tenure with the company. In line with relevant circulars issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, we are holding the AGM through video conference. A live streaming of this meeting is also being webcast on NSDL's website. The company has taken requisite steps to enable members to participate and vote on the items being considered at this AGM. The company has received 7 authorized representations along with board resolutions from corporate shareholders appointing and authorizing representatives under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 in respect of 9,67,48,903 equity shares representing 37.98% of the paid-up equity share capital. Members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting can cast their vote during the course of the meeting through e-voting facility. Since the notice is already circulated to the members, I take the notice convening the meeting as received and read. There are no qualifications in the reports of the statutory and secretarial auditors. On behalf of the Board of Directors, I would like to thank the shareholders for their continued trust, confidence, and support. The year was challenging for the business. Geopolitical tensions affected business conditions during the year through higher energy, raw material, freight, and logistics costs, along with weaker demand visibility due to trade uncertainties. The global soda ash industry was stressed, with supply remaining high across markets and oversupply in several regions. This kept pressure on prices. Elevated inventories in China, softer demand from sectors such as flat and container glass, and excess capacity continued to weigh on realizations, which continued to be soft. The domestic business environment in India remained relatively more resilient than several international markets. India continued to exhibit robust demand growth and better capacity utilization across sectors. While the near-term demand remained largely flat due to weak macroeconomic conditions and surplus capacity, our medium to long-term outlook remains positive. Demand is supported by sustainability-linked applications such as solar glass, EV batteries, fuel-efficient tires, carbon-neutral sodium bicarbonate, pharma-grade solutions, and nutritional ingredients. These areas reinforce the long-term strength and relevance of our portfolio. Against this backdrop, the financial performance of financial year 2025-26 reflected both the pressure of the cycle and the resilience of the underlying business. Consolidated revenue for the year stood at rupees 14,585 crore and EBITDA of rupees 1,805 crore. At the standalone level, revenue for the year stood at rupees 4,831 crore and EBITDA of rupees 954 crore. The standalone profit after tax for the year stood at rupees 606 crore. On a consolidated level, oversupplied soda ash markets, particularly driven by natural capacity in China, persistent pricing pressure, particularly in Southeast Asia markets, and geopolitical uncertainties, resulted in lower exports for our US operations. Consequently, an impairment charge of rupees 1,837 crore on goodwill, along with the rupees 182 crore write-off of deferred tax assets, was recognized in the US business. As a result, there was a consolidated loss after tax of rupees 1,715 crore. The board has recommended a dividend of 110%, amounting to rupees 11 per share, reflecting our commitment to shareholder returns. At the operating level, the company remained focused on volume growth in India, cost control, and execution discipline, while strategically broadening the share of non-cyclical businesses in the portfolio. Non-soda ash revenue grew by 14% from rupees 6,118 crore in financial year 2025 to rupees 6,946 crore in financial year 2026. This is in line with the company's strategic objective of expanding non-cyclical and specialty-led businesses. A notable operational milestone during the year was the achievement of 1 million tons of soda ash production at Mithapur, reflecting the benefits of the expansion program commissioned in the previous year. During the year, Tata Chemicals commissioned additional capacities in silica and phos. The successful completion of the acquisition of Nova Bay Pte Limited Singapore during the year reflects the strategic direction and strengthens our specialty chemicals platform in key global markets. In the UK, the timely closure of the low-stock soda ash plant helped stem the EBITDA erosion and structurally lowered the fixed cost base. The newly commissioned pharmaceutical-grade salt capacity continued to sharpen the focus on higher value products. Kenya advanced its sustainability-linked operating model with the commissioning of a 5 megawatt solar plant, a solar pond, and electric calciner initiatives. India remains a strategic strength, while internationally we are consciously sharpening our portfolio towards value-added, non-cyclical, and specialty-led segments. At Tata Chemicals, safety remains central to our operations and value creation, and we continue to embed a culture of zero harm through rigorous protocols and training. Our digital transformation initiatives, supported by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and industrial Internet of Things technologies, have enhanced manufacturing processes, road safety, and real-time monitoring across our operations. Sustainability is equally important to our long-term strategy. Guided by Tata Group's Project Alingana, we remain committed to reducing Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions by 28% by 2030 and achieving net zero by 2045. We continue to invest in energy efficiency, renewable energy, low emission fuels, circularity, and water stewardship. Our CSR efforts remain focused on long-term community empowerment. During the year, our drinking water initiative in Oka Mandal improved access to safe water and saved time for women, supporting dignity and livelihoods. Your company remained focused on preserving cash flows, protecting margins, optimizing costs, and maintaining a strong balance sheet while continuing to invest selectively in resilient and higher margin growth areas. In the coming year, the company will focus on strengthening the core, improve cost competitiveness and asset utilization, expand into specialty and less cyclical businesses, and drive sustainability, digitalization, and innovation. Our growth plans include key projects such as adding 82,500 tons of salt production in Meetapur, capacity addition of 50,000 tons of new precipitated silica in Kadalur, and a greenfield iodized salt facility of 210,000 tons in Vallinokkam in Tamil Nadu. I thank our employees, customers, partners, and shareholders for their continued trust. Tata Chemicals remains resilient, disciplined, and committed to creating sustainable long-term value. I now request Mr. Mukundan, Managing Director and CEO, to make his presentation.
Thank you. I'll build upon what the commentary and the narrative given by the chairman. As you can see, the financial highlights reflect the challenging conditions outside, but clearly, despite that sharp drop in prices, the company was able to arrest the fall in revenue to only about 300 odd crores, from 14,800 crores to 14,500 crore. Obviously, this compressed the EBITDA by 150 odd crores, and the impact on the PAT was higher. This is PAT before all the exceptional items. But the notable fact was that as our cash flow from operations got compressed by about 500 crores, the company also pulled back on capex to conserve cash and be conservative. And the capex was 800 crores less, which effectively meant we could pull back cash in the company by about 300 odd crores and maintain a dividend of rupees 11 as we had done in the last year. Now let me add a bit more color on what's behind these numbers. Broadly, the business highlights has been highlighted. There was a growth both in bicarbonate by 32% and in soda ash by 14%. Specialty products actually grew by 20% for our FOS, the nutrition business, 24% in the silica business, and we command pretty high market share in most of our products, anything ranging between 25% to over 90% for the nutraceutical business in India. Our subsidiaries, especially in India, Rallis did well with highest ever EBITDA. This has been because of the broad-based volume growth and cost optimization. We also commissioned the first electric calciner ever done for soda ash, thus making green soda ash in Magadi. With keeping in line with the fact that we are now technology driven, we also set up a global capability center in Gift City, Gandhinagar, so that we could serve our customers better. The international acquisition of Nova Bay expanded our premium grade pharmaceutical offering, and our CSR initiatives broadly pushed ahead with plantation drive livelihood opportunities. In terms of key metrics across various parts of the business, our focus on safety continued. We had 0.36 lost time injury frequency rate. Two of our units actually had nil recordable injury during the year, and we need to continue to focus on safety as we move forward. Customer remains the linchpin of our focus, and our net promoter score is a very high number of 82, and our customer satisfaction index remains 85, and we continue to grow the wallet share with most customers with whom we engage. In terms of environment, our energy intensity was 7.78 and water intensity 8.85 kiloliters per ton. Both these numbers are trending down year on year, with a carbon intensity at 0.81. And on digital, we put a lot of focus on cybersecurity, ensured there were no data breaches, and our uptime was 99.99%. People remain our pillar of strength. Our employee engagement score remained high of 72%, very steady, and 100% of the leadership positions were filled internally, which means that within Tata Chemicals or Tata Chemical companies or the Tata companies. 8% gender diversity. This is a low number, but going ahead, I will highlight that our recruitment level at the entry level is now already up to 50% gender diverse. Our growth focus has been highlighted already by Chairman, which is 50 kilotons of salt has been commissioned, 3.5 kilotons of silica commissioned, and about 4.5 kilotons of LC-Phos which has been commissioned. Further capacity additions I'll highlight in subsequent pages. As you know, the demand drivers for our business remain robust the long term, while we have a short-term challenges in soda ash, especially with the oversupply from China, which has led to sharp fall in prices and margin. The driver of growth in soda ash remains the sustainability, which is solar glass and lithium carbonate. Silica, as you know, goes towards green labeling of tires as auto industry moves towards EV. There is an increased adoption of HDS. Bicarbonate, prebiotics and salt remain our more resilient members with steady growth in revenue, also steady growth in margin. Bicarb goes through diverse application like flue gas treatment, animal feed, food products, pharmaceutical products, and also water treatment. And prebiotics is a very good fiber additive, which is also a sweetener, and there is a shift increasingly towards using it for healthy preferences. Salt continues to grow. In fact, in several of the geographies, we are launching higher grades of salt, including the pharmaceutical grade salt. And agrochemical, the focus is effectively on farm productivity to ensure food security. We are increasingly focusing our businesses by the way the markets they serve. We have three broad areas of business. The living essential, which is mainly salt, bicarbonate, and prebiotic. These are food, feed, and pharmaceutical products. This segment remains resilient and is displaying a very steady and linear growth. Industrial essential, this goes into glass and tire and other industrial application. This is more prone to cyclicality, and this is where the soda ash and precipitated silica and several other industrial chemicals we make are part of. And farm essential is directly served through our subsidiary Rallis. In all these businesses, our focus is to excel operationally, embed sustainability, and to expand selectively to continue to grow market share. Some of the key updates, as I already highlighted in the opening slides, this year we also had the highest ever sales of soda ash and bicarbonate. US showed a very strong performance operationally. However, financially they were constrained as their export prices dropped sharply. UK has already transitioned from commodity soda ash business, which has been completely shut, and we are focusing on higher margin specialty products. Kenya continues to focus locally in the African market, thus reducing its logistic cost and improving its financial performance. And we also pivoted towards green soda ash by commissioning the electric calciner. Singapore is a very important addition to our premium grade bicarb journey. gives us access to about 60,000 tons of food and pharma grade products, which will be further serving several new customers we'll be acquiring in the geography. Rallis also launched 11 new products and 30 new seed varieties during the year. At the base of everything we do is our customer. We have an extensive distribution network for soda ash and agrochemicals and all our products. And this is now increasingly supported through a digitized network of One Tata network, where product co-development and customization is a key part of the effort. And we focus on ensuring customer service is excelled. Our customer satisfaction index is 85%. Our net promoter score is 82%. We now have a digitized end-to-end customer service network with us. People are our strength. We invest in the talent, and the Global Capability Center would further ensure similar seamless access to talent is available to all our units around the globe. We continue to focus on diversity. As I mentioned, this is the fifth consecutive year where more than 50% women GETs have been recruited by the company, and they are building a very, very strong, diverse pipeline going forward. We also have leadership capability through our HRMS portal. We ran one of the largest AI and digital skill development program within the company called Transcend, and we continue to focus on making sure that our employee engagement score remains a high of 72 upwards. Digital is the core of building forward at the next generation and future generation of the company, and we have standardized all our processes using SAP HANA. We now have a supplier collaboration portal run by Ariba around, and we also have worked with Salesforce in terms of working towards customer portal and customer excellence. We are currently in the process of also standardizing our human resource globally through Darwin Box, and all these efforts would make that every part of the company is completely digitized. We also did a lot of use cases in smart manufacturing, predictive asset monitoring, ensuring safe work environment through video analytics, and also improving plant reliability and predictive insights for our workforce to ensure that their process capability is increased. Our focus remains on IT and digital infra and cybersecurity. We have deployed very advanced endpoint protection, and this continues to be a big focus as there are increasing threats of cyber attacks in every part of our business. Going green is one of the key cornerstones of what we do, but we do it through innovation, and we have continued to get patents, approximately 468 at the end of this year. 75 customer collaborative projects have been done, and we have about 169 scientists and technical observers and 180 patents till date. And this cuts across our specialty segment, where it is ranging from silica to battery to bio-based surfactants in agrochemical, as well as in nutrition and new application in symbiotics and probiotics. Project Alingana continues to drive our sustainability effort, and our key commitments there are around climate change, where we continue to focus on renewable energy and greening our processes. Circular economy is to reduce the resource intensity, where we have doubled down on ensuring there is freshwater replenishment as well as zero landfill. Nature and biodiversity remains our focus, where over 1,000 whale sharks have been saved till date, and we have also focused on mangrove plantation, which touched a high of 2.4 lakh mangroves during the year. Finally, we got our license to operate from the communities. We have worked very, very deeply with the communities who surround our operations, who engage with us in terms of promoting their livelihood. We've invested in their education and skilling. Their health and well-being remains our focus, but all this, we do it with special emphasis on the vulnerable population, where over nearly 2 lakh marginalized group were covered and touched by the company's CSR programs. This just highlights the specific numbers in each one of the item. As you can see, the focus has been on ensuring that we connect with farmers, we ensure water is accessible to all of them, and trees are planted, especially the mangrove plantation. If you sum both the mangrove and tree planted, it's close to about 4 lakh numbers planted during the year. We also work with cattle in terms of livestock management program for our farmers so that they get dual income both from their farm and from the cattle. Overall, all these efforts led to recognition for the company. We were recognized as the most sustainable company, ranked number 2 within the chemical sector. Magadi was recognized specifically as a runner-up as a company of the year within Kenya. We have the best green product recognition from the chemical and petrochemical industry for our silica project. And overall, we also won the Grand Jury Award for Industry Academia Partnership. All this also led to further recognition in terms of Brandon Award and getting recognition of energy efficiency in our operations. We continue to work to ensure that all our stakeholders continue to engage with the company and deliver value to all of them. Thank you. Back to you, Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Mukundan. The e-voting facility is now open, and members may please visit the voting page of NSDL e-voting website and cast their vote while at the same time watch the proceedings of the meeting. The e-voting facility will remain open for 15 minutes after the meeting to enable members to cast their vote. I will now call one by one those members who have registered to speak. Since we have a very large number of speakers today, I would request the speakers to restrict their speech to a maximum of 3 minutes. Dr. Arun Kumar Bopanna.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
First thing first, thanks to Rajiv for his services, Jairaj and Shilpa for arranging the VC. They've always been very kind to me. My questions, fermentation technology-based prebiotics are replacing synthetic ingredients in food, feed, and pharma sectors. Who are our competitors? Who is the largest in India? How will silica and prebiotics continue to be at the heart of our growth, adding to green chemistry, science-based solutions? Now, the National Hydrogen Mission, that is very expensive, but I think India is planning to be a global hub for manufacturing and exporting green hydrogen. What are Tata Chemicals' views and actions? Will hydrogen provide 100 times of more energy per kilogram, giving a longer range? So, Chairman sir and MD sir, I would request you to arrange a Pune R&D site visit. It's quite long time, much before the COVID event. It's always enriching to watch the R&D center. And does the management believe the current market valuation adequately reflects the company's intrinsic value? Now, let me close, sir. Today, Tata Come and Tata Tech AGMs are in one day. For me, as a Tata lifer in both, I have to say, I don't know why time did you conspire. As a Tata lifer for both, I desire. Tata Chemicals share did drift away. Mukundan, will you promise a better day soon? Tata Chemicals support with Tata Sons in stone, yet share price keeps going up and down. It's come and gone. Where did the promised pathway stray? Will brighter fortunes come soon one day? In conclusion, let Tata Chemicals be held high even when the market slide by. So customers never sway, and Tata Chemicals chatting a better way soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Bopanna. Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can hear
Hello.
you. I can hear you.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Kumar Gupta. I've joined this meeting from City of Joy, Kolkata. I feel proud to be a shareholder of Tata Group, and I feel proud to be a shareholder of Tata Chemicals. First of all, I thanks to you and your team for the excellent result of the company for the year 25-26. I will try to conclude my speech within 2.5 minutes to follow your guideline. And sir, thanks to I want welcome the new company secretary, and I believe that he will serve like as Mr. Rajiv Chandra, that he has served the small shareholders like me in future also. And sir, how, do something under the CSR for Calcutta also. And how your overseas business are going on? Just now your opening remarks you says that UK soda plant has closed. So what's the status as on today? And sir, how you will reward the shareholders? Now we are waiting from several years to get reward from the Tata Chemical. When you will be in position to reward the shareholders? Sir, have you any plan to split the shareholder either by 5:1 or 10:1? That will be a good reward that our share will go up and the market capitalization will go up, liquidity in the market will go up. So try to consider. And what's your future plan? Can you throw some highlight? And sir, just now you have mentioned that new medical salt has launched. So when that so medical salt will be available in every part of the country, because now the Apollo is the master in the medical salt. So when the Tata will be a leader in that regard also, like as a Tata Salt. So when you will be in position to launch the nationwide the Tata medical salt that will help the patients and the common man that will that pupils can use. But sir, have you any plan to launch the medium size packet like as a half K 500 gram, 500 gram, 250-gram salt that a small vendor can also take the Tata salt, because small vendors those are selling in the street food, they are not using the Tata salt. To consider in that regard to because in India 15 crore street vendors, if you will consider to launch the 500-gram and 250-gram packaging, that salt business will boom and salt business will go up. Just to consider that. And sir, have you any plan to come again in Bengal? Earlier there was a plant in Haldia. So have you any plan again to come with a new venture in Bengal under the new government, sir? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Mr. Anil Parekh.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Parekh, I can hear you.
Thank you, sir. Uh, Padmanabhanji, Chairman, MD, Mr. Mukundar, other board members, and my fellow shareholders. I am Anil Parekh here from Bombay. Sir, I would like to congratulate the management and secretarial team for seamlessly organizing this meeting virtually and for presenting the thoroughly comprehensive integrated annual report. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our CS team, particularly Jairaj, Silpa, and Niyati, for extending all kind of support whenever we need. Also, we miss today Rajiv Chandan for his services to this company and remembering his cooperativeness. Coming to this year's performance, while the consolidated numbers reflect a net loss of 1715 crore uh, and non-cash impairment charge on our US assets uh, is responsible for that. Our domestic business has shown remarkable resilience. I would like to congratulate our team at Mithapur facility and all the employees and board members for doing that milestone, producing 1 million tons of soda ash at the Mithapur plant. Sir, uh, I deeply appreciate chairman's board's decision to declare 11 rupees per share dividend. Uh, in light of losses we have done, it is remarkable, appreciated that you are taking shareholders' interest in your mind. Now, Chairman sir, coming to our specialty chemical business, our domestic business has grown, and that is the reason why we are not having substantial losses. And Chairman sir, what are your plans as far as new plant facilities you have done in this year? I don't want to take your much of time, but I would like to take 1 minute to understand our project at Alingana. Uh, what is the situation of that project and how it will contribute to our top line and bottom line? Sir, I fully support all the resolutions proposed today and wish the management, employees, and the entire team of Tata family for a prosperous year ahead. Thank you once again to our CS team and all the board members for allowing me to speak. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Parekh. Mr. Hiranand Kotwani.
Namaste. Are you audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Namaste to all those who are listening to me. Let me acknowledge, I am Hiranand Kotwani from Kalyan. Let me acknowledge that our compliance is good. Last Mr. Rajiv was also good. My best wishes to him for the future. Certainly, the company is a performance of not a leap jump. We talk of inflation and other things, but our product price increasing is stable. No huge growth is coming. No good profit is coming. The reason is the market and prices. I can assure. I can see. But our products are Tata's products are well acknowledged. कि 2 रुपए का मेरे को चाइना का साल्ट मिलेगा और 4 रुपए का टाटा का मिलेगा तो मैं 4 रुपए वाला लेगा. So we should not reduce the price globally. We should increase. The market is important for any organization to survive or improve. Marketing and profitability is must. To compete with other, that is the one thing. Who control the market? Those who fix the price, regulate the price. So please think the marketing globally should be well. Now, I will not waste the time, but certainly I want information of the Singapore plant. How much our investment in Singapore? What type of product we produce there? How much return will in budgeted will come in the future? This year, next year. Please narrate the Singapore investment and product from that revenue and profitability. Thank you and best wishes. Other will speak. I have to leave for them. Thank you. Good luck ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Kotwani. Miss Lekha Shah.
Hello, are we audible, sir?
Yes, I can hear
Thank you,
you.
sir. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good afternoon and regards to everyone. Myself, Lekha Shah, and I'm joining this meeting from Mumbai. First of all, I would like to welcome our new company secretary, Reda sir, on the board. I know him for a long time for his previous company. I'm sure that he will add a lot of value to our company. Also, at the outset, I would sincerely thank our company secretary, Jaraj sir, for sending the AGM notice well in advance. I found the AGM notice and am delighted to say it's so beautiful, full of colors, comprehensive, informative, and enriched value with fact and figures in place. Once again, thank you so much, Jara sir, Niti ma'am, Shilpa ma'am, and Nikhil sir. Thank you, Chairman sir, for insightful and well-present addresses. Sir, I would like to ask you questions. My first question is, what is the company's strategy for creating value from the innovation and research? And my second question is, are there any plans to expand into new high-growth chemical segment? Chairman sir, as a regular speaker and shareholder, I would like to respectfully request that a fact visit arranged. Sir, I hope the company will continue video conference meeting in future. So I would like to say I strongly extend my support all the resolution present before the meeting. Thank you, Chairman sir.
Thank you. Mr. Satish Shah.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है? थैंक यू श्रीमान चेयरमैन साहब और अन्य डायरेक्टर। मेरा नाम सतीश शाह। आपने अपनी चेयरमैन स्पीच में कंपनी के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझा दिया। सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि कंपनी का डिविडेंड पॉलिसी और टर्नओवर कितना है ईयरली, और आज जो भी रिव्यू रखा है उसमें मेरा फुली सपोर्ट है। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
Shah. Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar.
Hello.
I can hear you, Mr. Sarkar. Please go ahead.
Hello.
I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Hello. सुनाई दे रहा है? Hello.
हाँ, सुनाई
Hello.
दे रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Can
Hello. Hello.
yes.
Hello. हाँ, thank you. Thank you, sir. Very good afternoon. I remember to Sarkar, running from my residence, Kolkata. Thanks for respected chairman and directors, KMPs, company secretary, and fellow shareholders. Thanks to the chairman for valuable and informative presentation regarding performance of the company. Thanks to the company secretary and secretary department for excellent investor service to the shareholders. Sir, integrated annual report is colorful and informative. Now I come to financial result on consolidated basis. Revenue from operation increased by 6.5%. Profit after tax 546.59 crores. Tata Technologies has maintained its steadiness, both turnover and profitability, in spite of several factors wherewith geopolitical tension and current slowdown in economy in India. Question number 1, finance cost. Sir, other interest cost increased to 20.26 crores. Compared with previous year, it was 5.12 crores. What is the reason? Sir, please share your thought. Question number 2, bad debt written off rupees 15.67 crores during the year. How much bad debt remain at present for recovery? And one initiative will be taken for recovery. Please share your thought. Best wishes to you all. Thanks for patient hearing. Over to you. Namaskar, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sarkar. Your questions relate to Tata Technologies. Maybe you are on the wrong link. If you can come back again later, we'll give you an opportunity to ask questions on Tata Chemicals. Mr. Vinod Agarwal.
Hello, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
Respected Chairman Padmanabhan ji, MD and CEO R. Mukundan, and CFO Kumar Tirumalai, and our CS Jairaj Mehrnos. Good afternoon and regards to everyone present for the AGM. Sir, I've gone through the annual report. The losses that you have shown in the consolidated are more of a non-cash operating loss due to the American subsidiary, where you have shown a non-cash loss of about 1,800 crore. So we are cash positive in that sense that it was a profitable year, but due to accounting principle that you have shown losses out there, and we have got a good strong operating revenues even in the consolidated part of the business of 1,269 crores. So, and this has enabled us to give good dividend. Even from the standalone, we've got only 13 rupees EPS, and you've given a dividend of rupees 11, which is a very good thing. So I appreciate that, sir. And all our products are doing well. Silica is doing well. Probiotics is doing well in the India business, and soda ash. It's the prices which were impacted due to China surplus in the soda ash and export markets. That is why we got little less realization, and the bottom line, top line grew a little less, sir. But otherwise, we're doing well, sir. I wish the company all the best. Signing off, Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Agarwal. Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf.
हाँ जी, एक मिनट। माननीय सभापति जी, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
हाँ जी, आ रहा है।
माननीय सभापति जी, उपस्थित निदेशक मंडल के सदस्यगण, अधिकारीगण और कर्मचारीगण, मैं संतोष कुमार श्रॉफ कलकत्ता से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ। आशा करता हूँ आप लोग सब अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में होंगे सर। मैं सर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का और उनकी टीम का भी आभार करता हूँ सदा हमारे टच में रहने के लिए और मीटिंग के पहले रिमाइंडर करने के लिए। तो सर आपके सीएफओ का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ, काफी अच्छी बैलेंस शीट उन्होंने पेश की है सर। तो बैलेंस शीट तो ऐसी दी है सर, मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ क्या पूछूं आपसे क्या नहीं पूछूं सर। फिर भी सर आदत से लाचार तो दो चार प्रश्न आपसे करना चाहूंगा, हो सके तो जवाब दीजिएगा सर। सर मेरा पहला प्रश्न है, अगले 12 से 24 महीनों में ग्लोबल सोडा एश की कीमतों को लेकर आपकी क्या उम्मीदें हैं? दूसरा सर, 2030 तक स्पेशलिटी केमिकल से कितना रेवेन्यू मिलने की उम्मीद है? उसके बाद में सर, फाइनेंशियल 26-27 की कौन से बड़े कैपेक्स प्रोजेक्ट का प्लान है सर? उसके बाद सर, हमारी कंपनी ईवी और बैटरी मटेरियल मार्केट के लिए कैसे अपने आप को तैयार कर रही है सर? उसके बाद में सर, किन कॉस्ट सेविंग पहलों में ईबिटा मार्जिन बेहतर होने की उम्मीद है? सर नेट जीरो इमिशन की दिशा में क्या रोड मैप है? मैनेजमेंट भारत और इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में डिमांड ग्रोथ कैसे देखता है सर? सर लास्ट, मैनेजमेंट डिमांड ग्रोथ जो है इंडिया में और वर्सेस इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में क्या देखता है सर? क्या व्यू है मैनेजमेंट का इंडिया की ग्रोथ के डिमांड में और इंटरनेशनल अंतरराष्ट्रीय ग्रोथ डिमांड में सर? ज्यादा कुछ नहीं सर, फाइनेंशियल 26-27 के आप सभी को शुभकामना देता हूँ। जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर भाई बहन है, जितने भी कर्मचारी भाई बहन है, जितने भी हमारे एसोसिएट भाई बहन है, उनके लिए भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ हेल्दी वेल्दी और प्रॉस्पर सेफ्टी के साथ व्यतीत हो सर। सर मैं मॉडरेटर का भी आभार प्रकट करता हूँ काफी सर्विस देने के लिए। एक बार फिर आप सभी का आभार प्रकट करते हुए अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद भारत, नमस्कार सर।
Thank you, Mr. Saraf. Mr. Tamal Kumar Majumdar.
Respected Padmanabhan sir, Mr. Mukundan, and other directors of the company, myself Tamal Kumar Majumdar, an equity shareholder from Kolkata. Congratulations to Mr. Mukundan on becoming the president of Confederation of Indian Industries. I am also missing today the presence of Rajiv Chandan, earlier company secretary, who retired during financial year 26 after serving the company for a long period. Convey our best wishes to him. And my special thanks to Jeraz, as the new company secretary, whom I knew from Tata Power days. He's a fantastic chap and always helpful to shareholders. I wish him success in his new position. And my special thanks to Shilpa also for keeping in touch with shareholders. Sir, I have gone through the annual report. I have some queries for explanation replies from your end. And as usual, seek your indulgence. I'm assuring you, I am not going to take too much of it. Sir, recently a court judgment held Tata Chemicals liable for damage of Gulf of Kutch marine sanctuary. They directed Gujarat Pollution Control Board to assess the ecological damages and determine compensation amount to be paid by our company within 3 months. Please share details in this respect, including any provision made relating to the matter as on date. Whether the company appealed against the said order in the superior court. Till date, Tata Group is known for saving ecological balance, but the said judgment put the company in very bad light. I hope that appropriate action will be taken to safeguard the group's image in this respect. Sir, Mr. Mukundan said there are 168 patents till date. We have 168 patents till date. When our what is our company's thinking in respect of monetization of the same, monetization of these patents? Sir, it is noted for that outside China, demand of soda ash expanded only marginally. And at the same time, new capacity addition during the year significantly increased its global availability, resulting in well-supplied market with elevated inventory levels, particularly in China. Our company has soda ash plant operations in the USA, UK, Kenya, India, and other markets. Which geographies are expected to be the biggest growth drivers in the coming years? And what is the management outlook in this respect for the next 2-3 years? And when does Tata Chemical expect margin recovery? Sir, how Novodaya Private Limited, Singapore, how the Novodaya Private Limited, Singapore, which we took over by paying euro 25 million, is currently doing, and your expectation from the unit in next 2-3 years. And sir, how specialty products contribute to our revenue and profitability during financial year 26? What is the roadmap to improve the contribution? Sir, for a huge chemical company like us, research and development expenses is very low. It actually decreased to 0.74% of turnover in financial year 25 to 0.60% in financial year 26. Why the company management is not giving importance in its R&D activities in this hugely competitive market? And sir, it is noted from page 130. I have 3 other questions, sir. It is noted from page 130 that foreign exchange earning of rupees 238 crore was much lower than outgo of rupees 888 crore in financial year 26, like in financial year 25. During the year, surface decline in rupee to the tune of 10% took place. What is its impact on our currency inflow and outflow? And sir, on a consolidated basis, soda ash, salt, bicarb, and others contributed 51.77%, 16.82%, 6.69%, and 7.10% during financial year 26. Company's subsidiary Rallis India contributed 14.35% in crop production and 3.2% on seeds in the consolidated contribution of our company. Do we expect any changes in the contribution of those items mentioned during the next 3 to 5 years? And sir, whether the management has any thinking for restructuring or exiting low return business in India and overseas? How our company is preparing for carbon reduction requirement in chemical manufacturing? Your thoughts be shared in details with us in this respect. Thank you all, and thank you, Padmanabhan sir, for allowing me to complete my note. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Majumdar. Mr. Dharmesh Vakil.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Vakil, please go ahead.
Yeah. Am I audible and visible?
You are audible.
Okay. Respected Chairman, Sri Padmanabhanji, our all the distinguished board members, and our Honorable CS Sri Jairaj, a very good evening to all. I am Dharmesh Vakil from the dream city of Mumbai. At the outside, I congratulate the management for the excellent performance of the company year by year. And as you know, kindly please keep it up and up. Sky is the only limit. Our CS corporate, our company secretarial team headed by Sri Jairaj, they are doing the excellent work. I got my annual report and minutes and link and all well in time. And I am also thankful to his colleagues Batul Rupawala, Niyati Merchant for constantly reminding me for the meeting. Our corporate governance is also excellent, and all the words are few to encourage, inspire, encourage it. And now, sir, this is the time along with corporate shareholders to start corporate shareholders responsibility also along with corporate social responsibilities. Our balance sheet is full of facts, figures, informations and colorful pictures. So my special thanks to our entire CS team. And one more most important thing, why online meeting? You should have hold either a physical meeting or a hybrid meeting. Now it has come in the media and in the corporate sector that there is a move to hold at least one meeting in 3 years. So kindly focus on it. I'm very sorry to inform you in this gathering. Last year, I had a very big problem and hardships for dematting my physical shares with our RTA MUFG. But thanks to our Honorable Secretary Batul and Jayalakshmi, I got my shares dematted after long 6 months and after full of hardships and harassments. See, we all are senior citizens. Myself and my joint shareholder, my honorable and respectful beloved father. I have no queries, sir. I have got all the compliments. Your opening remarks are well enough and there is nothing much to add. I reiterate and I support my wholehearted support to the in favor of all the resolutions. What about our plant visit? It is now overdue. You should hold our plant visit pan India one after the other and kindly hold one physical get together also in Mumbai. And at the last, I also wish all the best for the coming festivals ahead. हम सफर ना बन सके हम सफर ना बन सके हमराज बनकर रह गए आप हमारी हसरतों के ख्वाब बनकर रह गए जय हिंद एंड जय श्री कृष्ण टू ऑल
Thank you, Mr. Vakil. Mr. Yusuf Rangwala.
सर आपको आवाज आ रहा है सर? वेरी सर एक मिनट सर, मैं जरा नेटवर्क में आता हूँ सर. वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून सर. आपको आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
सर पहले तो अपना सर, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू आवर शिल्पा मैडम एंड हिज टीम फॉर गिविंग अस एंड सेंडिंग अ बैलेंस शीट. That is a very excellent, sir, very knowledgeable and very colorful. Around 500 pages. Madam has done his homework very good. I'm very happy with the secretary team and especially Batul madam and all the secretary team people have taken the trouble for having a today arrangement, sir. So as you mentioned, you explain everything. 7 rupees dividend, very good. On face rupees 10 rupees. Sir, many years past you have not arranged a factory visit. Can you arrange a factory, sir? This is my humble request. Sir, what are the total number of staff working at a factory? When was the last bonus given in Tata Chemicals, sir? Many years past, sir, you arrange a visit at many years past, sir. You can say around 15 years, sir. You not arrange a visit, sir. Now time come. Sir, you can arrange a visit. This is 87 annual general meeting. So next year we will be completing 88 years. Before the 88 years, can you arrange a month of October, November? Not now, sir. You arrange a visit in month of October or November. After this rainy season is over, sir. Because in the rainy season is very difficult, sir. So I would like to know after this war, what is the effect on our business? Our main business, soda salt is a main business at present. So what profit we are earning in this business, sir? And what order at present, sir? We are having a what order at present? And what is in the coming year, new year? In this past, what are the order will be coming? You accepted orders, sir. I would like to know. In which country our product are exports, sir? Whether it is going in Africa, Europe, USA, अपना प्रोडक्ट सर अपना अरब कंट्री में जाते हैं सर. अरब कंट्री में भी एक्सपोर्ट. आई वुड लाइक टू नो सर. नथिंग मोर टू एड. आई एंड माय स्पीच. फूलों की खुशबू कलियों की बार और अपना साथ हमें जा रहे हैं सर. हंसते रहे मुस्कुराते रहे चेयरमैन सर. Not to worry, sir. You given a 7 rupee dividend. You are not to worry, sir. We are on a dividend list, sir. Not to worry. Every year, sir, declaring handsome dividend, sir. I am very, very happy with your company, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you, Mr. Rangwala. Mr. Kamal Kishore Jawar.
हेलो मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सर?
Yes, I can.
हमारे चेयरमैन सर, एमडी, सीईओ एंड ऑल डायरेक्टर, नमस्कार. कमल किशोर फ्रॉम हैदराबाद सर. आज सबसे पहले लास्ट फार्मरी हमारे सीएस राजवीर चंदन जी जो जितना रिस्पांस देते थे, आज जो नए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी आए जिराज मैसन, उन भी उतना रिस्पांस देते हैं. तो मैं नए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी को उनको बधाई देता हूँ. उनका पहली मीटिंग में अच्छा सर्विस है. और उनके असिस्टेंट शिल्पा जी जो हमको पहले भी फोन करे, अभी भी फोन करे और हमको टाइम पे बैलेंस शीट मिल गया.
तो उनका सर्विस बहुत अच्छा है साहब। और सेकंड थिंग सर, अपना 2026 2027 अभी केमिकल सेक्टर में कुछ जैसे बड़े बड़े कंपनी में जो केमिकल्स लगते हैं उसके बारे में कुछ मार्केटिंग अलग दरिया देखिए, कुछ अपना प्रोडक्ट नया है तो और अच्छा रहेगा। जैसे बहुत से कंपनी में कुछ केमिकल अलग नमूने का लगता है, तो उसके बारे में कंपनियों का क्या प्रोग्रेस है, तो उसके बारे में बताइए। और इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के सर हम कहीं भी रहे मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं, इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए। और जैसा और एक बात, हम सुपर मार्केट को जाते हैं तो अपना 1 kg का पैकेट दिखता है, जैसा आईटीसी का भी 1 kg का पैकेट दिखता है, तो 1 kg के अलावा 500 ग्राम 250 ग्राम का एक पैकेट बनाए तो उसका रिटेल सेल बहुत ज्यादा होगा साहब, बहुत ज्यादा होगा। 500 ग्राम है, 250 ग्राम है साल्ट के लिए, तो उसके बाद से जरा सोचे तो उसका मार्केटिंग बहुत अच्छा रहेगा साहब सुपर मार्केट में। थैंक यू सर, इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखिए। मैं ज्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ। इसके पहले 2-3 क्वेश्चन थे जो मेरे साथी भाई पहले बोल चुके हैं, मैं उसको दोहराना नहीं चाहता हूँ, टाइम खराब नहीं करूंगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mr. Zawar. Mr. Sharat Kumar Shah.
Hello. Hello. Can you see me, sir?
I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Okay. Sir, good afternoon. And one thing what I noticed, I must congratulate you for your appointment as the chairman from this AGM. And I'm very happy because of this change, sir. Find our views mainly on financial, sir. I will not speak on any other thing. And I already emailed for this. And what pages I referred are 203, 277, 0507, and 112 and 85, sir. What is my observation? Stand alone is in profit and mainly because of the compressive income of 788 crores. Consolidated is 277 page profit and loss account. Page number 85 says electrical consumption cost is reduced in 25-26, and so consolidated received a benefit of rupees 622 crores. It is not a small amount, sir. But the loss because of the exceptional items are 1925. So consolidated is in loss once again in 25-26, sir. And the consolidated is not doing well last 4 years, sir. So definitely you have to think and once you are getting 622 crore from the electricity saving, still which you cannot bring the company into the profit, sir. Also increased and dividend is exclusively from the standalone, sir. Income is lower than the consumer as we transfer salt to consumer. This is my feeling. You may clarify this.
Mr. Shah. Miss Shiny Shaji.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you, sir. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good afternoon to all. My name is Shaini Shaji. I am joining from Mumbai. I would like to sincerely thank the company for giving me this opportunity to speak and share my views. I also thank all the employees for their dedication and hard work during the year. Tata Chemical is a well-respected name in the chemical industry, and I am happy to see the company continue its focus on innovation, sustainability, and long-term growth. The company's presence, the both essential chemicals and emerging business provide confidence about its future prospects. I also thank the company secretary and the team for providing all the necessary information required for attending the meeting. I have two questions for the management. First is, what are the key growth plans over the next few years, especially in high growth and especially business? The second is, what step is the company taking to improve operational efficiency and maintain profitability in challenging global environment? I congratulate the management on them efforts and wish the company continued success in the year ahead. With these words, I support all the resolution placed before the meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Shaji. Mr. Sunil Kumar Modak.
Hello, I am audible, sir.
Yes, Mr. Modak, I can hear you.
Very good afternoon, sir. Respected Chairman of the meeting, Mr. Padmanabhan, distinguished Board of Directors, Company Secretary, CFO, members of the Tata Chemicals, and my fellow shareholders. Myself, Sunil Kumar Motok, joining this VC AGM of 87 Tata Chemical from my city of Joy, Kolkata. Sir, first of all, I thank the Company Secretary and his entire team for excellent investor services. I have received the annual report joining link and the call from the department, investor service department came to me and they inquired whether I received the same or not. Thank you, sir. Very good service. Sir, this year revenue, EBITDA, PAT, net worth reduced, but you maintained the dividend at the rate of rupees 11 per share. Thank you, sir. I have every faith on you and your management and your able guidance and leadership. Our company will do better in the coming future. Sir, you are the number one salt production in the country, number one. Sir, when the medical salt is available in our market, sir, considering the situation prevailing West Bengal now, business-friendly situation, sir, please consider your investment in large way so that the youth, unemployed youth get employment and also the also the circle also the creation of the employment will be open in West Bengal. So diabetes and cancer are the two main diseases prevailing in our country, and as per WHO, our country will be the capital of diabetic by 2030. Sir, please consider your CSR activities in a large way so that that you can aware the people about diabetic and cancer and can help the people by your CSR activities. You have spent 19 crores for CSR. This is very good. Sir, uh, you please consider one factory visit for the shareholders. This is long due. I have already supported all the resolutions and cast my vote. Hope that our company will do better in coming years. Next year we'll see with better results. With this, I conclude. Over to you for the further proceedings. Thank you, sir. Namaste.
Thank you, Mr. Modak. Mr. Manjeet Singh.
So this shareholder is not present in the meeting.
Ms. Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenhas.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Ms. Mascarenhas, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now, respected Chairman, MS Padmanabhan, MD and CEO Mukadam, other honorable directors on the board, my fellow shareholders in BC, I am Mrs. C. Mascarenhas, speaking from Mumbai. First of all, I thank the company secretary, Mr. Jiraz Mehernash, and his team for sending me an annual report and also registering me as a speaker at my request and also giving me this platform to speak, which was very easy to operate. Thank you so much. Thanks to the entire team. Annual report is full of information, facts, figures, self-explanatory, adhering to all the norms for governance. Our work is good, good dividend of rupees 11 per share in this very tough market condition. Also very good market capitalization and a good business. My next item is congratulations for all the awards and accolades received during the year. Also very good CSR work. Also ESG, good rating and climate changes are well documented. Now I come to my queries. We have 17 manufacturing plants all over the world. What is the average capacity utilization? Sir, second one is we have 3 R&D centers. How many employees, average age, attrition level? Third, we have acquired Novabag in Singapore, dealing to 60 KTP, A capacity expansion of premium grade biocarbonate. Please throw some light on this acquisition. How many more acquisitions are in the piping? How much business we have in the crop care and and seeds, especially hybrid, where we are doing well in the herbicide, fungicide, or insecticide. Lastly, we have another meeting only, so I cut it short. Future roadmap for the next 5 years, which vertical or verticals will be the growth engine and good margins in the background of geopolitical disturbances, Middle East wars, and currency depreciation and bad VOP. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. I wish all of you very good health, as health is wealth. Thank you once again. Namaskar. Now I give it to Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas. He is the next speaker.
Hello. Hello, sir. I'm the next speaker in the queue. Can I proceed?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, sir, very distinguished members of the board, and my fellow shareholders. Good evening to you all. My name is Aloysius Mascarenhas. At the outset, I thank the management, company secretary, and the team for sending me such a beautiful, voluminous, illustrative, annual report full of information, facts, and figures in place. Our results are good as compared, not compared to last year, but still good, and a handsome dividend of rupees 11. Most welcome in this scenario of geopolitical upset. Now, I would like to know who are our main competitors and our market share, and also whether we are exporting to dollar countries. If so, we stand to gain because with the rising dollar and the falling rupee, we earn a good sum by way of foreign exchange. So I would like to know on this account and the impact of tariff, if at all, from Trump. And many questions have been asked my predecessor shareholders. I don't like to ask anything more. I leave the floor open to my succeeding shareholders to ask their persistent questions. And I end my speech wishing you personally, all the board members, and more importantly, all employees, all the very best in the days and years to come. Here I would mention a factory visit would be most appreciated. With this, sir, thank you very much for patient hearing. God bless our company. God bless you. Goodbye, good luck, and all the good wishes from me.
Thank you, Mr. Mascarenhas. Mr. Bimal Kumar Agarwal.
So this shareholder isn't present either.
Mr. Jaideep Bakshi.
Very good evening, Chairman, Board of Directors, and key management persons and CFO. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our Company Secretary, Mr. Jaras, for giving me an opportunity, and to the entire secretarial team for maintaining good investor-friendly relations with the shareholder, and also presenting a detailed and informative annual report. So the initial speeches, both by you and the MD, was very much informative and shared with facts and figures. And thanks once again for the dividend of rupees 11 you have passed on to us. And also for the good performance, congrats goes to all persons who are concerned with our industry in spite of this inflammation. And we are planning to conserve our funds for our future growth. Going forward, what is our company's future outlook on sustainable growth and implementation of latest technology for better efficiency and performance? Kindly share. And congrats goes once again for the CSR activities and the awards which we have received, and continue serving the society through science with the help of all concerned. And if you do arrange for a visit to any of our plants or R&D centers, do inform us. Thank you, and wish the company all the best in the coming years. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Bakshi. Mr. Praveen Kumar.
Audible, sir, audible?
Yes, Mr. Kumar, you are audible. Please go ahead.
A very, very good afternoon to my honorable, respected chairperson, the annual address to the shareholder. Very, very in-depth and very, very knowledgeable for a retail investor like me. Thank you very much for preparing your annual address with all the hard work, with all the dedications. Sir, last year under review, if you see on a whole in our home country and the worldwide, the social economical condition is very, very bad, pathetic. Even if you see our respected PM Narendra Modi ji coming out with 7-point agenda for each and every countryman of our countries. So this is the condition, and future is very, very uncertain. There are lots and lots of barriers, but despite those challenges, those concerns, under your leadership, sir, our company is coming out with very, very satisfactory results. God bless you for that. That yes, the dividend aspect of it, that truly significance, the investor-friendly approach of our management. I wholeheartedly support all the resolution which is set out for the notice today. And due respect to my earlier speaker, they asked multiple questions, so I don't repeat them, but it's a healthy Q&A. And one more thing, which is very, very important for a retail investor like me, we are the pillar of our company. In this regard, the communication between listed entity and the retail investor is the litmus test of any listed entity. In this regard, I love to thank our respected CS and their entire team. Respected chairperson, mark my word, they are the biggest asset as far as the communication is concerned. Even during the course of year, if we have any update about the company, that will be promptly replied through email. I mean, that's something which boosts our morale as far as our investment in the company is concerned. And one more word to our Ratan Tata ji, Parampita Paramatma, unki atma ko shanti de. We are so blessed by his dedication. First, he always put first, the country first and the business later. I mean, that's something which is so kind of a philosophy of our entire group companies. I'm very, very lucky to be part of such a legacy. Thank you for this opportunity. Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Mr. Ashish Bansal.
You can hear my voice, sir?
Yes, Mr. Bansal, I can hear you.
Thank you so much, respected Chairman and Board of Directors. I thank Company Secretary for sending the physical copy of the annual report. Also, I thank opening remarks. You have covered many points and many shareholders also be spoken. So I will not spoke again. So I request you, before the lockdown, you have taken the plan visit. If you have not called my name, those people have not visited, plan visit at least one chance you have to give us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Bansal. Miss Prakashini Shenoy.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, Miss Shenoy, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. I'm Prakashini Ganesh Shenoy from Bombay. Respected Honorable Chairman, Mr. S. Padmanabhan ji, other dignitaries on the board, and my fellow shareholders, good evening to all of you. I received the AGM report well in time, which is colorful, informative, transparent, and contains all the information as per the corporate governance. First of all, I want to welcome Mr. Zeras, the new company secretary. Wish you all the best and good luck for your future assignments. I thank the company secretary for giving me the link and asking me to, and without which I won't be in a position to speak. The chairman and the CFO has given a beautiful picture regarding the company and its working in all parameters. Thank you, sirs. I have just one or two questions. My first question is, kindly highlight the future growth and risk in business due to global situation. My second question is, how are we planning for digital future? And what is the expenditure incurred for developing products in our R&D? Is there any change in our company after the recent budget in the parliament? If yes, please let me know. I wish the company good luck for a bright future and pray God that the profit of the company shall reach the peak in due course. Chairman, sir, last but not the least, my earnest request to you, please continue with VC so that people all over will have an opportunity to express their views. Sir, I strongly and wholeheartedly support all the resolutions put forth in today's meeting. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Shenoy. Mr. Om Prakash Kejriwal.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Kejriwal, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Good evening, Sirji. And good evening, everybody attending this AGM. Myself, Om Prakash Kejriwal, your equity shareholder from Kolkata. Thank you, Sirji, for providing me the platform to speak something before you. Thanks to our Secretary Department, especially thanks to our niche secretary, Jiraj sir, for calling me and taking my know-how. Also, thanks to Batul madam for helping me in registration and reminding me for the AGM. Sirji, firstly, I want to thank you people for maintaining the dividend at the rate of rupees 11 per share on face value of rupees 10, despite the difficult business environment all over the world. Sirji, there is a saying, ये क्या हाल बना रखा है, कुछ लेते क्यों नहीं? Our net profit and so EPS is falling quarter by quarter. In June quarter 25, our EPS was rupees 12.05 in estimate account. In September quarter 25, our EPS was rupees 6.99. In December quarter 25, our EPS was rupees 2.87. In March quarter 26, our EPS is rupees 1.88. Sanjeev, why such continuous falling? Then what will be the position in June quarter 26? Let me know your expectation. Though in whole year, our EPS is a little better at rupees 23.79 compared to rupees 20.57 in previous year. In consolidated account, our EPS is minus 74.42 due to some exceptional loss. So I have a few questions. What is your capex plan for next 2-3 years? Second, last year you added some capacity for pharma grade salt. How it is performing, sir? Third question, yesterday there was a report in media that our company will be benefited from the IP of Tata Sons. What type of benefit we will get, sir? Please express your view, sir. Sir, the split of shares, please split our share in the ratio of 10:1 ratio to enhance liquidity in the market. Also, all Tata companies are having face value of ₹1. So please consider this split, sir. Sir, I have a request also. I have some physical shares, sir. KYC has been done. I need your help to demat these shares. At last, Ajay, please maintain your smile and be cheerful. We are always with you as a long-term investor. Thank you, Sergey.
Thank you, Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Gautam Tiwari.
Sir, you can listen also.
I can see you, but your voice is breaking. Can you come closer to your mic?
Yeah. Now can you listen me well?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, sir. So first of all, I'm here to our honorable MD R. Mukundan, our honorable chairman Sir Padmanabhan sir, CFO Mr. Nandakumar, CS Jairaz, and other directors, management team, and respected shareholders, brothers and sisters, and all those connected with Tata Chemical and our employees and workers. Good afternoon and warm welcome to all of you, sir, here. And I'm very happy with Tata Chemicals being with Tata Chemicals right from first day. Yes, sir. Once again, I'm here to greet you for your working, and even in such a tough condition, sir, you have maintained, you have sustained the dividend of rupees 11. Rather, as it used to be before demerger of this Tata Chemical, even post demerger also, you have continued with the same type of dividend for which it means that you are taking care of the minority shareholders precisely well, and Tata company is very good considering the interest of shareholders. Sir, Mr. Jeraz. First of all, Rajiv Chandan, we are very much happy and we wish him all the best. His services were excellent, beyond excellent, and we all used to be very happy. I am very sure this Mr. Mahernosh Jeraz, who was there from Tata Power, and we always insisted and pressurized that we want him as a company secretary independently. And today, his dream and our dream also has become successful, and he is an independent secretary with this company, for which we really wish him a good luck. I am very sure in the days to come, he will also be as popular and as careful and taking as much care and hospitality of all the shareholders as was done with our Chandan. Sir, as far as the other associate, this शिल्पा जी इज कंसर्न, शी इज ए लाजवाब सर, बहुत अच्छा, इतनी अच्छी तरीके से उसने हम लोगों को हर एक बात में इंस्टेंटली रिप्लाई देके अपडेट किया, इतनी तरीके से समझाया कि सर ऐसे डायमंड को तो जरूर संभालना चाहिए कंपनी ने ऑल द टाइम. I am very happy with other colleagues also of secretarial team, and very happy for the preparation of their annual report along with notice, which is really transparent and informative. And I have got a physical copy of this also. Thank you very much, sir. As far as today's सबने पोल दिया है question, लेकिन I would like to know something which has not been asked for anyone so far. Sir, first is, what is the EVA for our Tata Chemicals Limited? Now, what impairment in USA competitors of FOS and silica businesses we have got? Sir, what is our attrition rate of the top cadre? What is the cash flow from operational activities? And what is the impact of war on our business operations, revenue, and overall profitability? And sir, how our cyber threat? You have explained something. We would like to know something, if you can please add. How the company manages cyber threat and cyber attacks on our day-to-day operations. And sir, it's a very long time that factory visit has not been conducted nearby Bombay. It is Pune. So please make sure that some factory visit is also conducted. Sir, as usual, I support appointments and reappointments of all directors, if any. I support wholeheartedly all resolutions. I already voted for each one of them favorably. I am very happy to learn that, sir, customer satisfaction score of our company is 85%. And congratulations, sir, for winning multiple awards and accolades through and through and all the time. Ultimately, I would like to say, sir, I would like to say, दिन ब दिन सर आपकी खुशियां हो जाए डबल, दिन ब दिन आपकी खुशियां हो जाए डबल, आपसे कोसों दूर रहे हर ट्रबल, ईश्वर रखे आप सभी को सर्वदा सर्वदा सर्वहित, और साल का हर एक दिन आप सभी के लिए आने वाला हो सुपरहिट. और इसके बाद में सर, फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों की बहार, मौसम की ये बौछार, परमेश्वर परमात्मा आपको दे सफलताएं बार बार अपरंपार लगातार, आप सभी को मुबारक हो आने वाले सभी त्योहार. इसी के साथ में सर, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद, एंड वंस अगेन आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट and very happy with your performance. Thank you very much, sir. Here is a grand salute to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Tiwari. Mr. Narendra V. Zaveri.
Respected Chairman, distinguished member on the Board of Directors, my fellow shareholder. Sir, I congratulate you for maintaining the 11 rupees dividend in the difficult times. Sir, afternoon time is the best time. I hope you will keep up the tradition and practice in the future, in the coming years also. Sir, may I request you to convey the Bombay House to keep a 8 days gap between the two meetings of the Tata Group of Company, so shareholder can have a better understanding of the functioning of the company. Sir, two meetings coming very next day, it is not proper to attend it and to do justice to you, sir. Secondly, sir, in view of the losses we have incurred, I would like to know, are we deputing our senior concerned person to USA, UK, Singapore, Africa from time to time or not, sir? Sir, if we would like to know whether the plant is solely and all administrative and financial function is solely managed, wholly and solely managed by the local people, or we are sending our concerned person to supervise and monitor their functioning, sir. It is very much necessary in view of the losses we have incurred, sir. So we would like to know now what is the latest position in USA. We have stopped incurring losses and position has been established, normalized or not, sir. We would like to know, sir. Sir, I also welcome the new young secretary. He requires support, sympathy, and support and encouragement in view of the heavy compliances burden imposed by the SEBI, sir. Sir, day after day, SEBI is kept upon having more disclosure, and at the same time, circulation of the printed copy of the annual report are restricted by the SEBI and by the Ministry of Company Affairs. It's not a good thing. Sir, virtual meeting is not a have no virtue at all in it. It's a mechanical meeting, one-to-one meeting. There is no positive result incurred from it. Now the COVID is gone. Ministry of COVID, why want to perpetuate this COVID meeting, sir? It's a very big question, sir. Why Ministry of Company want to insist upon it to have a? Now the word you use is permitted. It's not a compulsory, legally binding meeting. It's an advisory meeting to hold a meeting through video conference, sir. I hope Bombay House and you will persuade and insist that physical meeting should be held. You are paying good dividend. Your performance is good. Every respect you are good. Why you are afraid of the facing the shareholder physically, sir? The big question is this, sir. Sir, number of shareholders have spoken about the plant visit. To begin with, you can take some active shareholder, those who are participating in the annual meeting. You can arrange a plant for the Mithapur plant, sir. It's a long overdue. It has not been arranged for a long time, not at all arranged. So I request you to take some few active shareholder to begin with. Let us have a shareholders will have an opportunity to familiarize with it. If directors are familiarized with the plant visit, why the shareholders should be kept in the dark, sir? Sir, small packing. Small packing, my shareholders should understand. Small packing is a costlier matter. 1 kilo packing is better. You compare the sugar price and salt prices. Salt requires small quantity of consumption. Sugar requires big consumption. Sugar prices is 48 or 50 rupees per kilo, whereas salt is available in market at 30 rupees per kilo. So small packing will be more costlier as compared to the standard 1 kilo packing. I hope you will appreciate, the people will appreciate this fact, sir. Sir, we would like to know this current year, our soda price is affected by China. This will disappear or not, sir? Or we will have a same stable earning for the current year, sir? As Mr. Mukundan has told us in the beginning, that prices are governed by the Chinese domination. We would like to know who else are there apart from China. Only China can dominate the market, sir. We would like to know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Zaveri. Mr. Anil Mehta.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Mehta, you're
Hello.
audible. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. This is Anil Mehta. I attend this meeting from Mumbai. I have only one question. Looking to the global situation, how much the growth can we expect and how much it will be affect to our revenue and the bottom line in the current FY 2026-27? With this, we are the shareholders supporting all the resolution and thanks to the Secretarial Department for their cooperation and support and all the best for the bright future of our company. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Ms. Meena Mahesh Narialwala.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you, sir. I'm the joint shareholder for Meena Mahesh Narialwala. Good afternoon, respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and Company Secretaries. First of all, thanks to our Company Secretary and his team for sending me the register speaker link in time, which enables me to speak you in front of this annual general meeting. Sir, I have only one question in respect of today's AGM, and my question is the company's revenue, profitability, cash flow, and debt level for the next 3 years. With this, I end my speech supporting all the resolution has written in the digital annual account. Over to you, Chairman, sir, for further proceeding. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Yashpal Chopra.
Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Chopra, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Okay, yeah, myself Yashpal Chopra, speaking from Delhi. My client ID is 1059284, number of shares are 1200 shares. I'm a shareholder of the company for more than 3 decades when this company was in the fold of Hindustan Lever, Unilever. And I have never attended your AGM. This is the first time I'm attending it. It is only courtesy because of our VCM video meeting. I am a person from Delhi. I cannot afford to come to Calcutta or Bombay or like that to attend the meeting. So this is the only mode which I would request you that let it be maintained so that our company's shareholders, the Pan India presence is available over here, sir. To begin with, I would like to congratulate you that you have just taken baton from Mr. N. Chandrasekharan. I am virtually a fan of that gentleman because I am a shareholder of almost all the Tata companies. Around 20 companies I am having in my fold, and he knows me by my name. So, he is a great gem, and I know that as he has assigned and passed on the job to you, so you are no lesser than that. So I just would like to bless you because I'm a super senior citizen around 87. I have got all my right to bless our MD, our company secretary, and particularly I am grateful to Madam Shilpa because today I would not have joined it because I could not locate the link. So I had spoken to her. She had helped me by sending the link on my WhatsApp, and only then I could join it. I'm thankful to her. So, sir, as regards the performance of the company, I think that does not deserve to be discussed because there has been all-round decline over there, and though culprits are the foreign market, culprits are China and other where the market price has been lowered so much that we have to burn the cash just to maintain our existence. So, but sir, your attitude of investor friendly that definitely commands compliments that you are still maintaining the dividend of 11 rupees. This is a very big thing, sir. I would just like to have some queries that our company is in almost 4 continents of the world, and I would like to find out as to which continent or which countries are more positive for us, for our performance. I would like to know that thing. The second thing is that our company is second in the rank on the universal platform. May I know which is the number 1 company? And as we are burning cash on because of this soda ash, is that company number 1? They are also burning the same way. I would like to know it. The next thing is that this is the time of AI applications, and I know that our company must have applied for that, must have used that. So I would like to find out as to what is the result, how much beneficial that AI application is in our company. That I would like to find out. Further, sir, that yeah, our this business of EV batteries, and that I just want to find out the status because now the time has come. Then when we should give more importance than soda ash to our EV batteries in that vertical because most of the vehicles coming in the markets those are based on EV batteries. So that is I feel that our company come on positive track, but if we concentrate more on specialty chemicals and EV batteries and other we can find out another diversified field in these agrochemicals and all that. So I think so long we do not get proper price for our soda ash, we can concentrate more on that thing, sir. And before, just to wind up, I would like to say that our company had been a gem of company. This had a glorious past over there for so many years, and now we are burning cash year and every year like that. So we have to just means uh, we have just to uh, just to ask our risk management officer as to what he is doing for us. So that is very important. So, sir, so wishing you best of luck and lots of blessing. And I will pray God for the positivity for you and the entire team, and particularly for our company secretary, because I had a talk with him. As per his talk, he looks a very, very decent and noble person. Sometime, if I have got the chance to meet him in my life, I will definitely love to meet him. So best of luck to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chopra. Mr. Gautam Nandi. Mr. Gautam Nandi, can you hear us?
Sir, it appears we're experiencing a technical difficulty with Mr. Nandi.
Mr. Mahesh Kumar Bubna.
Sir, this shareholder is not present in the meeting.
Ms. Smita Shah. Ms. Smita Shah.
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, please go ahead.
आवाज आ रही है ना सर?
हाँ, आवाज आ रहा है.
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री पद्मनाभन जी और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत शाह। सर मैं बरसों से टाटा केमिकल का शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ सर। आपने आपका स्पीच में तो सब कुछ बताया सर। और सर शेयर का भाव भी व्यवस्थित अच्छा है, तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन मानता हूँ। और अपनी कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी आगे बढ़े सर। डिविडेंड भी अच्छा है सर, तो मैं धन्यवाद अभिनंदन मानता हूँ सर। सारे अवार्ड्स के लिए भी बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन मानता हूँ। और CSR एक्टिविटी भी सर अच्छी चल रही है, तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन मानता हूँ। और सर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी और उनकी पूरी CS टीम का मैं पहला तो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जयराज जी का मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। उनकी पहली AGM है, तो मैं उनका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। और सर उनकी पूरी CS टीम का भी बहुत धन्यवाद अभिनंदन मानता हूँ कि बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे, हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे। मैं पूरा
चेयरमैन साहब, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes, Ms. Smita Shah, please go ahead.
ओके, थैंक यू सर। माननीय चेयरमैन साहब श्री पद्मनाभन जी, MD श्री मुकुंदन जी और सभी उपस्थित माननीय डायरेक्टर्स, आप सभी को मेरा स्मिता शाह का सादर प्रणाम। पहले तो चेयरमैन साहब, प्रथम में हमारे जो प्रीवियस कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री राजीव चंदन जी को मैं उनकी फ्यूचर्स की रिटायर्ड लाइफ की मैं ढेरों सारी शुभकामना देती हूँ। और आज हमारे टाटा केमिकल बोर्ड पर हमारे पधारे हुए श्री जयराज जी का भी मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। जयराज जी को भी मैं सालों से टाटा ग्रुप में काम करते हुए हमारे प्रीवियस कंपनी से मैं जानती हूँ। ऑलवेज स्माइलिश फेस और हार्ड वर्कर, मेहनती, गुड नेचर, गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस, सालों से शेयर होल्डर की अच्छी सेवा देते रहे। सो इस बोर्ड पर भी आते ही उन्होंने अपनी बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ आज भी सभी शेयर होल्डर को अच्छी गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रहे हैं।
सो मैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ और उनकी टीम से मेहनती हार्ड वर्कर शिल्पा और नियति मर्चेंट, वो उनकी भी मैं हार्ड वर्क की मैं सराहना करते हुए उनको भी धन्यवाद। और जयराज जी को उनको फ्यूचर्स की बेस्ट टू बेस्ट शुभकामना देते हुए मैं उनको अभिनंदन भी देती हूँ और उनकी वेरी गुड इन्वेस्टर्स की सराहना करते हुए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और चेयरमैन साहब हमारे आगे कई सारे शेयर्स बोल चुके हैं, तो हमारे लिए कुछ अभी बचा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं इतना जरूर कहूंगी कि आज 87 AGM के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। और केमिकल सेक्टर में अपनी टाटा का नाम भी प्रसिद्ध रहा है और कंपनी ने हमेशा डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ अपना वर्क बहुत बढ़िया करने जा रहे हो और रेवेन्यू नेटवर्क भी उसमें बढ़ोतरी दिख रही है। और हमारे MD साहब श्री मुकुंद जी ने भी अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन किया। उनकी हार्ड वर्क, आपकी गुड लीडरशिप और सभी छोटे बड़े एम्प्लॉइज का सहयोग और इससे हमारी कंपनी बेहतरीन वर्क के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है। सो हमारा तो सालों से विश्वास आपके साथ रहा है, हम सालों से टाटा ग्रुप से जुड़े हैं, सो ऑलवेज हमारा सपोर्ट रहा है। सो आज भी हमारा पूरा विश्वास के साथ आज के सभी रिजोल्यूशन में मैं स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट करती हूँ और मैं शुभकामना देती हूँ आपको कि आप सदा गुड हेल्थ के साथ सदा बने रहे फिट और कंपनी की चौगुनी तरक्की के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहे और फ्यूचर में बने हमेशा सुपर हिट और आपका फ्यूचर हमेशा मंगलमय बना रहे, यही मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हुए बस कंपनी ईयर बाय ईयर प्रगति के साथ आगे बढ़े और डिविडेंड भी बढ़ाते रहे और बोनस की उम्मीद के साथ। लास्टली चेयरमैन साहब, मेरी एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि कई सालों तक हमारी प्लांट विजिट नहीं हो पाई है, तो आप जरूर विजिट कराने की कृपा करिए और नेक्स्ट ईयर मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि हम और आप रहेंगे हाइब्रिड AGM में साथ साथ। इसी के साथ स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट के साथ धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ms. Smita Shah. Mr. Bharat Shah. Mr. Mohammed Patel. Mr. Patel.
So it appears we have a technical difficulty with Mr. Patel.
Ms. Humayun Puridehi.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, it has become good evening now. Okay, sir. Of course, as you know, we are very old shareholders of Tata Chemicals. Now, I just want to tell you a few things, sir. Are you advertising your salt? Because, doctor had told my sister-in-law, stop the present salt, which we are having, and have Tata salt iodine. So then we had to make inquiries, which was Tata salt iodine, because she was lacking in iodine or thyroid problem or some such thing. Just wanted to ask you, do you advertise Tata salts? And my God, if you advertise which brand, which this you advertise, that also can be an issue. We were having some other Tata salt. Acha. Number two, I want to know, sir, about your projects abroad, manufacturing units abroad, which are making losses. Can you tell us? Or they're in the process of making profit? Sir, and regarding the closure of the Strait of Hormuz, has our company been affected in any way? Because we are having manufacturing units abroad. Has the supply chain been affected? I want to know. And sir, of please continue with your Zoom application. Please. The Tatas are doing it, I know, and it is very easy, very good. I don't want to say about the other apps which we had some days ago. It created such issues, such difficult issues. So please continue with this Zoom application, all the Tata companies at least. So, and also one more request. You should tell which is the speaker number 5, speaker number 6. I was speaker number 36. I had to keep on, gluing to my mobile. I couldn't go anywhere. Some companies do say Tata Steel, speaker number 5, 6, 7, whatever.
Your voice is not clear. Are you still connected, Ms. Puridehi?
Yes, sir, she's still online and connected. Sir, it appears she has a weak connection.
Thank you, Ms. Puridehi. Mr. Adil Irani.
Thank you very much for unmuting me. I'm Adil Irani speaking. I'm a senior shareholder and I'm a very proud shareholder of Tata Chemicals. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Mr. Irani, I can hear you
We can just
clearly.
move ahead, no? Because you see, I mean, it's about time now people started realizing that, I mean, we are not face to face. So, anyway, Mr. Mukudam, thank you very much for taking care of my company and for being the president of CII2. Confederation of Indian Industry. Mr. Mukudun, I cannot see you. I cannot see all the other directors on the board. Normally, they're all sitting together and we can see all of them. I can only see the chairman's face. Anyway, thank you very much for taking care of the company. And the company secretary, Jeraz Menosh, he's the link between the company and the shareholder. And he has been doing his job very well. Basically, he has been taking care of us for the past few months. And I would request the company secretary and the chairman and the managing director to arrange for a planned visit to your Pune, this thing, which we had been about 10 years back when Mr. Chandan, I mean the Sandalwood, had arranged for a planned visit. And that is the time when we came to know that you are manufacturing something which to do with tires. Means the tire is black carbon, so now you're thinking of some white carbon or something. So I don't know what happened to that. And Magadi or somewhere in Africa, you had this place where the train used to go for 120 kilometers two ways and for two times in a day, where used to water was being supplied to that village over there from which I don't know, soda ash is being manufactured or something. So all those things. And another thing, I don't want my tax to be debited at source. So SEBI had said, okay, there is only one point at which I have to give this thing to my person who has my demat account. So nobody has said that. I mean, I don't have to inform all the companies. So please, I've been asking all the company secretaries. They say we don't know, we don't know, we don't know. So Mr. Chairman, please find out from SEBI, okay, why a shareholder, a senior citizen, 75 years old, and my tax should not be, I have to pay somebody to get my tax refund.
Mr. Irani, I can't hear you. Are you still online?
So it appears he has dropped off.
Thank you. We observed that during the meeting, two shareholders, Bimal Krishna Sarkar and Bimal Kumar Agarwal, could either not connect or had difficulties. If you are still online, may I call out Bimal Krishna Sarkar?
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
you had spoken about questions on Tata Technologies. We are in the Tata
Very good
Chemicals
afternoon.
AGM. Yeah, please go ahead.
I Vimal Sarkar joining from my residence, Kolkata. Respected Chairman and Directors, KMPs, and my fellow shareholder. Thanks to the Chairman for valuable, informative presentation regarding performance of the company. Thanks to the Company Secretary and Secretary Department for excellent investor service to the share. Sir, as per consolidated basis, financial result, sir, revenue from operation reduced, sir, or profit after tax is negative. Sir, Question number 1, what are the plan or program to come out from the loss 1,715 crores? Sir, what are the capital expenditure for next 2 years? Sir, nothing to no more question. I think the previous speaker already raised the most of the question. Sir, I thanks for company secretary department for investor service के लिए. Sir, my best wishes to you all of you, and thanks for patient hearing. Over to you, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sarkar. Mr. Bimal Kumar Agarwal.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Agarwal, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to you, sir. Good evening, good night, and good morning to other shareholders, other directors who have joined from different parts of the world. Sir, my question was already raised by many of the speakers, and your presentation was very well. And I thank the company secretary, his team, and management and staff. And I again thank the company secretary because just now I received a call from his team, company secretary team, that you have joined the meeting or no. Please keep this company secretary in future and always. That's all from me. Thank you very much. And please continue video conference so people from all over the world can join. And don't have hybrid meetings because it could double costing it cost the company. Instead of you pay the dividend. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Bimal Kumar Agarwal. Are there any more speakers?
No, sir.
Thank you. We have completed all the speakers as of now. Mr. Arun Kumar Bopanna, you had asked questions about our competitors. Globally, Ingredion, Meiji, Banio, Galam, these are the companies which are our competitors. In India, we are the largest. We are continuously investing and growing our silica and prebiotics portfolio. This year we commissioned new lines for both, and going ahead we are planning 50,000 tons of additional capacity for silica in the next 2 to 3 years. Regarding green hydrogen, we do not have any immediate plans, but we continue to evaluate this space. Your comments on green hydrogen having high energy per kilogram, hydrogen provides about 3 times more energy per kilogram than diesel or petrol. Many of you have asked for plant visits to the R&D center in Pune and physical get together. This year we will definitely organize one or more of this. The current market cap, Mr. Bopanna, is a reflection of the current market conditions, and it is currently reflecting the status of Tata Chemicals. Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta, you asked about CSR work for Kolkata. We are planning mangroves in Sundarban every year. Financial year 25-26, we planted 2.4 lakhs mangroves. Regarding the overseas business, UK soda ash business was shut down in 2025. Other overseas businesses are doing as well. Quite a number of you have asked about share split and bonus shares. I've taken all your requests on record. Your question on medical salt availability in the country. We are sharply focused on meeting food grade salt demand in India. With proposed new expansion, we also consider serving medical grade salt demand in India. Many of you have asked for smaller size salt packets in the market. We will communicate this to the Tata Consumer Products Limited, who actually are branding, packaging and selling it at the retail level. We will keep looking at business opportunities across states in India, and we have West Bengal also in the pipeline. Mr. Anil Parikh, you asked about our new plant facility and in specialty chemicals. In FY26, we have commissioned FOS L55 4.5 kilotons. You asked about Project Alingana status. Project Alingana is a framework developed by the Tata Group, and we are aligned to that framework. We are embedding sustainability into all our operations through focused initiatives in decarbonization, circular economy adoption, and preservation of natural resources. Mr. Hiranand Kotwani, you gave an advice about not reducing prices for our products. Prices are influenced by market forces, mainly demand-supply imbalances and competitive offers. While we are the preferred supplier in most of our customers, the prices will be impacted by the above market forces. You asked about the investment in Singapore plant. The investment is 311 crores. It is premium bicarbonate, total 1 lakh ton capacity. In the last 3 months since we have acquired, the revenue is 63 crores and the profit is break-even. Ms. Lekha Shah, we are investing 95 crores in FY26 in the research and development. Plant visit I have already answered. You asked about the demand outlook. The soda ash outlook for FY27 is expected to remain muted, with global growth estimated at 0.2%. India is projected to grow at 5 to 6%. Mr. Satisha, you talked about our company's dividend. Our company's dividend policy is based on the published policy of the company, and it is as per section 43A of the SEBI, which is available on our company's website. The total annual turnover for the year FY26 was rupees 14,854 crore. Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar, increase in finance cost is increased in standalone due to rebalancing of loan from overseas to India. We had taken NCDs to repay the loan both in UK and part loan both in UK and in the US to reduce the overall cost of interest. Regarding the write-off of bad debts write-off is as per the company policy. Current provision for doubtful debt is rupees 53 crore at the standalone level. Mr. Vinod Agarwal, first I want to thank you for your positive views of the company and your excellent understanding of the context of the company and the environment in which we are operating. Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf, you asked about soda ash price expectations. As of now, our understanding is the next 12 months price of soda ash are expected to be muted in similar lines. You asked about how much revenue is expected from the specialty business for 2030. Our immediate growth plans include key projects such as adding 82,500 tons of salt production at Mithapur and a greenfield iodized salt facility of 210,000 tons in Vallinokam in Tamil Nadu. Regarding the CapEx project plans, we have already talked about it earlier in the year, and now these CapEx is being phased and invested in a phased manner. Regarding the EV battery market, we are in the lithium-ion battery, recycling technology, and sodium-ion battery technology is in advanced stages of development. Our net zero emissions are as per science-based and Alingana commitment. Year is 2045, where we will reach net zero. The soda ash outlook for FY27 is expected to remain muted, with global growth estimated at 0.2%. India is projected to grow at 5 to 6%. Mr. Tamal Kumar Majumdar, this is regarding the Gulf of Kutch question. Manufacturing operations of the plant continue without interruption. We have now created a deep sea discharge project and in compliance with applicable regulatory frameworks. We are completely compliant with applicable regulatory frameworks. We respect the judgment delivered by the Honorable Gujarat High Court. Tata Chemicals is currently examining the order and will evaluate its future course of action. We are continuously working with all the authorities and the agencies to uphold highest environment standards and will continue the work to protect the ecology and the environment of the region. Regarding the patents, we have 17% utilization of patents granted and will continue to focus on commercializing as and when it becomes relevant. Which geography is going to be high growth? This question has come from several speakers. The high growth in our market business is going to be India. Indian subcontinent would be the biggest growth driver in the coming year. Nova Bay, I talked about it. It is premium bicarbonate, presently 60,000 metric tons and expected to expand in the near future. Regarding the investment in specialty chemicals, we are continuously investing and expanding in value-added applications. Your comment regarding the low R&D investment, spends and efforts are in line with the needs of the new products and applications, alongside investments in industry academia collaborations, leveraging best-in-class resources and domain expertise. Your question on forex income, it is of rupees 22 crore during FY26. You had a question regarding Rallis soda ash, salt bicarbonate in the next 3 to 5 years, the revenue contribution. We will keep you posted with progress in our business. Regarding reduction of carbon, 4 levers of decarbonization we have includes energy efficiency, moving to low carbon fuel, renewable energy, and carbon capture utilization. As always, thank you for your questions. Mr. Dharmesh Vakil, there was a question related to physical hybrid meeting at least once in 3 years. I have understood your question. We will review this, study the Company Law Amendment Bill 2026, and then do the appropriate action. Regarding your question on plant visit, I've already discussed that. Mr. Yusuf Rangwala, consolidated online employee staff at the factory is around 3,300. Our last bonus issue was in 1995-96. The question on impact of war on soda ash, it has impacted on Tata Chemicals Limited, as we have presence in almost all the continents. The impact is primarily due to increased fuel charges, freight, logistics, the energy costs because gas in UK and HFO in Kenya, logistics costs and shipping disruptions have resulted in increased input costs. Your question related to orders in hand for soda ash. We sell soda ash with on-spot as well as long-term contracts across geographies. While the contract terms differs across geographies, overall it ranges from 30% to 80% of the total orders. Export business to which countries? We export to more than 100 locations across all our businesses. We do export to Arab countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Israel, UAE. Mr. Kamal Kishore Zawar, you asked about new product pipeline. We continue to work on product extensions of all our existing products as well as evaluating new products. Your inputs on salt package size, we will communicate it to Tata Consumer Products Limited. Mr. Sharat Kumar Shah, your observation that the Tata Chemicals income is lower than Tata Consumer income. This is because Tata Consumer is purchasing salt from the company at arm's length price and selling by adding their cost and margin. Mr. Shaini Shaji, you asked about high growth and specialty chemical businesses. Our growth plans include key projects such as adding 50,000 tons of precipitated silica in Kadalur and a greenfield iodized salt facility of 210,000 tons in Vallinokkam in Tamil Nadu. What steps have we taken to improve operational efficiency? Continuous improvement projects across multiple locations are underway, including Six Sigma, automation, digital AI adoption, and continuous monitoring. This includes benchmarking across plant locations and global best practices. Mr. Sunil Kumar Modak, regarding your question on medical salt, we are sharply focused on meeting food grade salt demand in India. With proposed new expansion, we will consider selling medical grade salt demand in India, serving the medical grade salt demand in India. Regarding investment in Bengal, as I had said earlier, we continue evaluating every location within India. Your suggestion for spending CSR funds on diabetics and cancer, very well received. We have a comprehensive health intervention at the community level. We have noted the suggestion and we will evaluate the appropriate opportunity. Thank you very much for this suggestion. Factory visit, I have already answered. Ms. Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenas, global capacity utilization, soda ash is 88%, bicarb 71%, salt 83%, silica 79%, phos 81%. In our R&D center, we have 129 scientists across 3 R&D centers. Our attrition is average 11%. Regarding additional acquisition, we keep evaluating options from time to time. You asked about crop care seeds business. As we had discussed in the Rallis AGM, both these businesses have done well during the last year. In the next 5 years, which product segment will be growth drivers? We will continue to leverage all available opportunities with focus on non-cyclical business segments. Impact of geopolitical, I have already answered that question. Regarding Nova Bay details of the acquisition, I've already answered that question. Just to add, it strengthens Tata Chemicals' presence in premium grade bicarbonates and reinforces our strategic shift towards non-cyclical, high margin, specialty led segments. Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas, you asked about our competitors. We operate in different product segments and geographies. For soda ash in India, our competitors are Nirma, GHCL, RSPL, and DCW, including some overseas companies exporting to India from USA, Turkey, and China. Our soda ash, market share of soda ash in India is 20%. Your question regarding exporting to dollar countries, even though our exports from India is limited, we do get benefits of rupee depreciation. Our agri business benefits a lot from the declining rupee. Impact of tariffs, as of now tariffs have had negligible impact. Factory visit, I've already answered that. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, we are planning to grow on premium grade products, non-cyclical, high margin, specialty led segments which are more sustainable. Your question related to technology implementation for better efficiency, we have invested in core enterprise applications, SAP, Salesforce, Ariba, to improve data quality, which is aiding us in building high quality AI models to drive efficiencies across our business functions. Your suggestion on factory visit and R&D center visit is taken. I've already talked about it. Mr. Praveen Kumar, thank you for joining the meeting and giving us your thoughts. Mr. Ashish Bansal, you asked about plant visit. I've already talked about it. Ms. Prakashini Shenoy, your question related to global geopolitics, we have already discussed. It has impacted our input energy costs, logistics, and shipping disruptions. Regarding the plans for digital future, we are operating in 4 planks, implementing core enterprise applications, data maturity initiatives, artificial intelligence first processes, and strengthening cyber security. Your question on impact of union budget, we do not see any significant impact on the company. Mr. Om Prakash Kejriwal, you made a good observation about our EPS falling quarter by quarter. Since October 2024 till today, the soda ash prices have dropped by about 40% from its peak. That is one major factor. The second, the rupee was 85 to the dollar. In the last month, it went up to 98 and now it is 95. Third is the excess capacity in China and the additional new capacities in natural soda ash. Structurally, these 3 factors are impacting this company at the macro level. In addition, last year was very unique. We had the geopolitical situation in the Middle East, And all of these have come together in the last 2-3 years. Internally, the company we are working, that management team is working very hard to overcome all these barriers, and several actions have been taken. I hope this answers the question that you asked about why has the EPS gone down quarter on quarter. The capex plan for the next 2 years, growth capex plan for the next 2-3 years includes investments in salt, silica, bicarbonate capacity expansion in India and in Singapore. Pharma grade salt expansion, which we commissioned last year. Pharma grade salt plant in UK has commenced production and is expected and is undergoing required certifications and registrations. We are operating at good plant utilization, both in the pharma grade salt and in the bicarbonate in UK. Your suggestion on stock split has been taken on board. The company secretary's team will help you with demat of your physical shares. Your question on benefits expected in TCL with respect to Tata Sons IPO, we are a minority shareholder, hence I cannot comment on this at this point. Gautam Tiwari, you wanted to know about the top management attrition rate. Top management attrition rate is 0 at the senior management level. What the EVA of the company at a reported financial basis, the negative EVA is rupees 2,664 crores on consolidated basis and negative rupees 1,691 crores on standalone basis. We have consolidated cash flow from operation is about 1,269 crores. Your observation regarding cyber threats, we manage cyber security through a layered defense model, continuously monitor threats through SOC, strengthen resilience through governance and ISO 27001 controls. Your observation on factory visit has been taken into account. Mr. Narendra Zaveri, I want to thank you and compliment you for your insightful observations about the context of the company and your positive comments about the company in spite of the difficult external macroeconomic situations. Thank you very much. Are we deputing senior persons? Yes, in some cases, but we will do more. Latest position in US, are we still incurring losses? The financial position of US depends on the soda ash prices. We are focusing growing our domestic market share than the unremunerative Southeast Asian export business. Plant visit, I've already answered. Regarding the amendment bill about physical AGMs, as I mentioned to the previous speaker, we will study it and then take necessary appropriate action. About small packaging, we will give that feedback of salt, we will give that feedback to Tata Consumer Products Limited. Impact of soda ash prices affected by oversupply and the manufacturing situation in China. For the coming year, we expect the prices to remain range bound in FY27. As I had mentioned earlier, the prices outside India is expected to grow not more than 0.2%, and within India it is 5 to 6%. Regarding Mr. Anil Mehta, you asked about growth and revenue projections. We do not give forward-looking statements. Ms. Meena Narialwala, revenue, profit and cash flow for the next 3 years. We do not provide forward-looking statement. Mr. Yashpal Chopra, thank you very much once again for your good understanding of the context of our environment. Much appreciated. Your inputs have been very, very insightful. For us, countries India, Asia and Kenya Africa are the two positive performing countries in the last year. Global soda ash, V Soda is the number one soda ash company. Impact of AI that we have used and implemented in our manufacturing plants, we are seeing meaningful impact due to application of AI and machine language in our plants. Operational efficiency gains at Mitapur has ranged from 1 to 3% in our specific consumption of coke, limestone and stream. Your question and observation regarding EV battery at Tata Chemicals, we are evaluating battery materials, lithium battery recycling and sodium ion batteries. Your suggestion that we should focus on specialty chemicals is well taken and we will do that. Your observation regarding cash burn in the current context is absolutely correct, and as the situation improves, in addition to all the internal actions on funding and refinancing that the company is taken, we hope to do much better in the coming years. Our risk management committee is headed by an independent director, and the committee keeps evaluating and mitigating various identified risks. Ms. Smita Shah, your inputs on plant visit and bonus shares has been taken on record. Ms. Humayun Puridehi, you asked about whether we are advertising salt. Sales and marketing, as I discussed, salt is with Tata Consumer. Your question related to foreign subsidiaries profitability. Internationally, we have Kenya, UK and US operations. Last year, British Salt in UK and Tata Chemicals Magadi were profitable. Impact of Hormuz closure, cost of energy and some of our raw materials has increased. Limited impact on product sales. We will make sure that henceforth we will call the speaker number together with the speaker name. Thank you for your suggestion. Yes, we will continue with the Zoom meeting. At the same time, we will study the company law, corporate laws amendment bill and take appropriate action. Mr. Adil Irani, yes, we will plan a plant visit. Mr. Jaideep Bakshi, you have suggestion that we should avoid hybrid mode. We will continue with the video mode. We have taken that, we have got 3 suggestions on this topic. We will apply accordingly. Have I answered all the speakers? Thank you, shareholders, for your very insightful observations, comments and inputs. We consider this very important for us to plan our next steps. I now authorize Mr. Jaraz Menosh, Company Secretary, to conduct the voting procedure and conclude the meeting. I further authorize him to accept, acknowledge and countersign the scrutinizer's report and declare the consolidated voting results on receipt of scrutinizer's report. The e-voting facility will remain open for the next 15 minutes to enable the members to cast their vote. The results would be announced within the stipulated time frame and the same would be intimated to the stock exchanges, uploaded on the website of the company and NSDL and put on the notice board at the registered office of the company. I thank the shareholders for attending the meeting, sharing valuable suggestions and for your continued support. In addition, I want to thank you for the compliments to the secretarial team, the management team and all its employees and the board. And also many of you have wished us well, and thank you very much for the same. I thank the directors for joining the meeting remotely. With your consent, the other board members and I would now take your leave. Thank you very much.
The e-voting process was kept open for 15 minutes as mentioned by the chairman. We now close the e-voting. I confirm that the requisite quorum was present throughout the meeting. The results of e-voting process will be declared within 2 working days from the conclusion of this meeting. With this, I declare the meeting concluded. Thank you all for attending the meeting.